Welcome back to the channel. I'm Simon Johns, and today I'm going to teach you how to step in and out of your tow hooks on your Dragan cruiser. So the first thing you need to do is establish which way around your Dragan cruiser sits on the floor. There are two ways to do this. The first is by looking for the larger end of the tow hooks. These are going to be where your toes sit, the smaller end will be where your heels sit. The other way to know if your Dragan cruiser is facing the right way is that when you look down at the board, the Dragan logo should look the right way up to you. So when you're first stepping on the board, make sure that you find a flat and even surface. The first foot that you put on the board should be your dominant foot. After you put your first foot on the board, try keep your weight over the center of the bar and then quickly lift up your other foot and place it on the other foot plate. If you put too much weight over the foot plate while you're stepping on the board, you may end up finding yourself rolling a little bit. If you're struggling to find your balance when doing this, I highly recommend finding a small crack on the pavement and placing your wheels in between that crack. This will stop the board from moving and you'll be able to step on it with no problem. Next up, we're going to learn how to step off your board. For your personal safety, we recommend coming to a complete stop before you step off your board. We know that's not always possible, so please try your best to get down to a manageable speed. Whether you're moving or not, we recommend taking your front foot off the board first and always moving it backwards. The reason you take your foot off backwards is because you don't want your foot getting caught on the tow hooks. Even though it may seem counterintuitive at first, taking your front foot off will actually allow you more control with your back foot and stop your board from rolling away. And of course, stop you from doing the splits. So that's how you step in and out of your Dragan cruiser tow hooks. Hope you enjoyed this video today and found some value in it. If you're not already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll be dropping new content, new tutorials, and lots more videos of the Dragan Pro team killing it on the freestyle boards. Until next time, peace out.